Fast Track Winners has proven that being Aquino is not only about talent and elegance, but also about inspiring and connecting with the people around him.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Fast Track winner and the first person who will be advancing to the final round is Ginoong number 8. Congratulations, and you will be advancing to the final round. Congratulations, please step forward to receive your sash and recognition as our Fast Track winner.
Alright, so once again, congratulations to you all from Marabon, Western, Samar. Congratulations. You go in front. So with our Fast Track winner officially in the final round, it's time also to meet